Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a box that I received from DHL. See how much I paid custom fee? So disappointing. Okay. Security checked. Okay, they usually leave it on, they usually leave it here, which I can't open the door, or they leave it here, which I can't open the door, especially if it's a big box. But this is not heavy at all. It's so light, like I'm holding with my one hand. So I asked them to leave it next to the table. Well, now we have a plant, but usually what they do, we ask them leave it on the table, because that's why the table is for. Unfortunately, they don't leave it on the table. Okay, so let's open this and let's see what's inside. Okay, so I paused. I hope my voice is there. Again, this is Frida and welcome to my channel. I was just checking. I don't know why I paid custom fee. Like $28 is a lot of money here. $28.46 for custom fee. Because I didn't pay that much. And I'm looking. See, she didn't write anything. It's the shipping fee. This is the shipping fee that I paid. So I don't understand what's going on. Okay. Well, the regular post is not shipping to Canada. Therefore, what's happening is she shipped it. I don't know. She shipped it with regular post. So I don't understand. This is regular post. It's like Turkish Parcel Express. So this is like what you call it in Canadian. I really have a hard time opening these boxes. Where is the thingy? Okay, here it is, I think. Yeah, so I looked at the papers that she filled. Here it is. So I paid €30. That's total including the shipping. Oops, sorry, I'm showing it wrong. Including the shipping. I don't understand. Unit value, she put down $10. So it's not even €30. Why would she do this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I guess this is the reason I paid $30 for €30. Oh well. This is the second time I'm ordering from her. Well, I'm not going to put her Instagram page because, yeah. The reason I bought these 3 items is when I moved, I lost some of my items. Like when you move, you lose it, right? I think this is the, how do you open this box? These boxes are so tricky. Here we go. Found it. It's like a puzzle. Where do you open, right? Okay, here it is. I can reuse this box. Let's see. See, I love the way she packs it. This is the reason. Lavender. I should have told her not to put lavender. They do a security check. They think these are some sort of this box is nice. I can clean this box and then put my own tapes. See how professional she packages them very nicely. Oh, that's why I keep on going back to her. Okay, nice bagging. See, these aren't that expensive, but it gives you that nice look when you're okay. If anyone's wondering, this is new. This board, I bought it from Michael's. It's like $2.99 Canadian. See, isn't this nice? Yeah. Okay. So, these are antique. They're over 20 years, maybe 30, maybe even 50. She didn't give me how old they are, but the ones that I had, they were over 30 years old. And I do have a picture I posted on Instagram. I have it on my head. It's called a Mevlüt. When my son was born, he was about, I don't know, 40 days old in that picture. I have it, and my mother has my son in our arms. And I have this beautiful, beautiful head cover. I was praying. It's like baptism. You know, when you have your baby, you have it baptism. So we pray in our religion. We pray for our baby when it's when he or she's born. It's called a mevlüt. And I had, oh, look at this lovely color. See, these are 100% cotton. Oh my goodness. See the packaging. You know, the way she's demonstrating. Isn't she ironed it nicely? Look at it. So these are handmade. They're needle pointed. Can you see? But beautiful. Beautiful. And they're like, this should be, I don't know, 50 years maybe? Who knows? But it has nothing, no stains, nothing on it. I just love the color. I picked up the laylock. See, isn't this beautiful? Can you see the flowers? It's needlepoint. Needlework with a silk thread. This is silk. It's beautiful. I learned how to do this when I was in Turkey. When I was seeing better. Yeah. You do the border first, and then you make these flowers. They're all time consuming. Beautiful. I am very happy with my buy. No stains. Oh, there is a stain. I should have bite my tongue. There's a stain here. These are stains from it's been it doesn't smell bad at all. She did iron it, so it's nicely, can you see? Yeah, it has a couple of stains because it's been so many years, right? Beautiful. So I can make this, to make a necklace with this. I can play around with it and make anything I want. Put it on my hair because I get sweat a lot. Okay, so let's open. So I bought two. See, I had the same one. Oh my goodness, it's the same. This isn't even handmade. It's the same. I can't believe it. I had this exactly same, and in the picture I'm wearing this. So what they did is, they didn't do anything. Well, they did these extra, I believe. These are done extra. Yeah, these are done extra. So there's no needle points or nothing. This is the reason I bought it from her. Oh, it has stains on it too. I don't know what happened. I wore mine on my son's Mevlüt, and then it was gone. See, this wasn't cut. I just cut this thread. These are made with needles. You pull up the thread, and then with the needle. I used to do this work, I remember. See, well, this is the right side. I don't know if it's done handmade, but I believe these are done machine. Yeah. Someone's hair. Someone's hair. Let me throw this in the garbage. Sorry. Oh, another hair. These are short hair. So someone must have put it on their head. Just looking at it. I thought it had needles. Yeah, it's the same one. I can't believe it. It's the same one. I had it, and I lost mine. So I went and bought another one. Well, actually, my mother, she bought it for the three girls. Okay, so yeah, their hair in this. So I'm gonna wash this. Maybe boil it. I'm very picky because if someone put this on their hair, right, they can have lace. You never know. And then it does have like stains here. See, when they're selling, they should put that it has stains. I know it's antique, like this is over 30 years old, because my mother, she bought it for us when we were kids. Okay, so let's open the third one. Oh, look at this. Okay, this one has needle points, see? This one was more expensive, the other one, because it has extra work. Can you see the beads? It's beautiful. And I have another package coming. I thought it would have arrived today because it's in Edmonton already. I don't think this is silk. She said it was silk, but no. Can you see? This is nylon. If I put it on fire, it would just melt right away because silk doesn't melt. Yeah, isn't this beautiful? My aunt, my father's sister, older sister, she used to do this work. Let me see if I can find them. I have a couple of hers that she always worked with silk. These are nylon. See? So on the front there's nothing, but on the edge, see? These are nice. Beautiful. Yeah, this is nice color. It's like no, it's not turquoise, it's copper. Yeah, I believe it's copper. I really like this. You can make, you can decorate with this as well. These are cotton. These are cotton. And then, see how beautiful it is? So I only bought 3 items from her because her stuff they sell very fast. And as soon as I bought, she shipped it the same day. I didn't even pay it. You know what? She shipped it the same day. And will I buy it from her again? Definitely, because she shipped it before. Oops. I'm going to do a tutorial on this one, so stay tuned. This fell. This is not belongs to this video, so stay tuned for that one. I'll do it next on my next video. So I only bought these 3 items. I'm really happy with this one because I felt so bad I couldn't find anywhere. I looked and looked and looked. I don't know, maybe someone stole it. You know, I can't say anything because I haven't seen with my eyes. Or I don't know, while we were moving, because I moved several times, right? Yeah. So I can't blame on anybody, so I just went and bought it when I saw the same. And it looks good on me. Purple. Laylock. They good. That color looks on me. Good on me because I have olive skin and this color would look good on me as well. Yeah, because I only use cotton or linen. That's the reason I picked. And I'm really happy. So stay tuned. Tomorrow's gonna, my package is gonna arrive. I bought beautiful antique stuff. Again, they're old. And they're one of a kind, and you can't find it anywhere else. And I cannot sit down and do embroidery on a old sewing machine. That's going to take time consuming. Plus I don't have the old machine, the Singer, or any black old machine that you can do embroidery on. And they're expensive here in Canada. I keep on checking Marketplace. But unfortunately, yeah, they're expensive. So I hope you like this short video. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. It's not related with yarn nor tutorials, but these are handmade. So I wanted to share you these beautiful antiques, and stay tuned for my next unboxing. Take care, everybody. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. See you next time on my next video.